Good day, everyone.
My name is Nazanin Sofia Mariano.
And I am Brian Maclay Ballesteros. Today, we are going to make a tutorial video on how to make network cables.
We need 3 materials in making network cable.
Crimp tool,
Belton cable. And lastly, RJ45.
the first step is that we have to cut both ends of the Belton cable. Both ends.
The second step, we have to spread the 4 pair of twisted wire apart.
So the third step is untwist the wire pairs and neatly align them according to the color combination of network cable.
So the color combination is white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, and brown.
For the crossover network cable, we are going to follow the same procedure except for the color combination.
For the left side in crossover cable, the color combination is white orange, orange, white green, blue, green, white brown, and brown. And for the right side, we have white green, green, white orange, white brown, brown, orange, blue, and white blue.